her eyes rolled over the window crack. He told her of his father's heart attack. From a tear's eye, as he talked, she said, "You lost me. Father needs a car. Confused about your marriage, your wife and your baby can't arrange." He said, "It's the way things go." Yes, there's the silence, the taxi's line up, the promise of the evening, her perfume so teasy and so strong. She's on nothing at all. I'm only making ends meet all the time. He said, "I know what you mean." She said, "Well, don't you play your guitar? My place ain't far. Discuss politics." All I heard was the way a clock would tick tock, the way time stood still. I had the authority, yes, though I could take us. I need to get away. I need a thing. She started right. He said, "Oh, you don't need to say nothing." In the back door, there is a reminder. They're banging out Shiner, sipping cappuccino. The presence flowing harmony. He smiled. He said, "Now this is something." Oh, and there were hola. Buenas noches.